2018 Ford Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power driver's seat, power steering, center armrest, power windows, side airbag, clock, overhead console, tachometer, intermittent wipers, power mirrors, rear view camera, cup holders, tire pressure monitor. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.